I don't usually invite people into my closet because it's such a mess. And if you're like me, you don't spend very much time accessorizing your closet like we do the rest of the home. But one day when I was running late digging through my jewelry, I thought, oh, what can I do with this mess? And I thought, wow, I could use our posts and our knobs. I've installed these on the side of a cabinet that's in my closet, but you could do it like on the wall in a corner behind a door. The posts stick out about 3 3/4, and the knobs are, some of them are flatter. This is our Pate knob, and I like it the best just because it's dainty. They come in gold, off-white, and bronze, and I just think it's a great accessory for our closet to organize our jewelry, and it just makes everything so much easier to find. So go to our website, Pate-Meadows.com, and it's under the curtain hardware with finials and the knobs and posts.